现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 午后大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。这个月呢，我们在教大家一句话，叫做肚子饿。
肚脐，
肚脐。我跟你讲，我最近很喜欢去爬山，
真的，
你
走得动
哦。山啊，对啊。可是我跟你讲，爬到一半会肚子饿，
然后肚子饿的时候就走不动了。
对。When you go hiking, you need to bring some food because sometimes halfway through you get hungry and you don't have the energy to walk. So let's hear a conversation like this, okay? 我们来听这样的一个对话。
用白黑毛含甜筒嘅黑毛，
我肚脐冇你好行咧。
嘅人哋先食第位東西，歇困一下。
歇困一下 that's to take a break, take a rest, and obviously they're going to eat something together. OK, 好，我们一句一句来教咯。
好。
首先，你怎么了？走不动了吗？ What's wrong with you? Can you not walk anymore?
用板黑毛。
用板黑毛。
行唔甜筒嘅黑毛。
行甜筒嘅黑毛。走是哪一个字啊？行哦，行 is actually to walk。
行唔甜筒嘅就走不动了。
I can't walk anymore. You can't walk anymore. What's wrong, right? OK， 你到底怎么了啊？对方说啊，只是肚子饿，没力气走了。对，肚子饿真的会这样子吗？I'm just hungry and I have no energy to walk right now.
我肚脐冇力好行咧。
我肚脐冇力好行咧。OK， 就是我没力气走了，是不是 ？OK，I have no energy。我们刚刚讲行就是走嘛，哈，没力气的话就是
冇力。
冇力 that is no energy. So of course we should eat a little bit and take a rest. OK， 那我们先吃点东西休息一下。
给人哋先食第位東西。
给人哋先食第位東西。
歇困一下。
歇困一下。哦，就休息一下嘛，哈。刚刚有讲过了，歇困 that means to take a rest， 一下 a little bit， take a break basically. And so let's eat something first， 要先吃嘛。
先吃第位東西。
先吃第位東西。来，我们来教这几个单字咯。
好，
包括走不动 ，can't walk。
行唔甜筒嘅。
行唔甜筒嘅。And then no energy, okay? 没力气。
冇力。
冇力。And then finally, 休息一下 let's take a break.
歇困一下。
歇困一下 Okay, let's hear the conversation again.
用白黑毛含甜筒嘅黑毛，
我肚脐冇力好行咧。
嘅人哋先食第位東西，歇困一下。
And this month, we're teaching you how to say hungry in Hakka.
肚脐。
肚脐，反正肚脐就赶快去吃点东西了。没错 ，That does today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
汉字say 张来了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.